Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina and I make cash stuffing content here on my channel. Today's video is going to be cash stuffing of my YouTube paycheck. Without y'all, this would not be possible. So all of the thanks goes to every single one of you who support my channel, and that could be liking, sharing, commenting. I honestly don't know how YouTube pays me, they just do. So we're going to stuff $188 today, and I do have all of that figured out right here on my teller slip. So I do take this to the bank teller. In my previous video, I did a cash planning of my YouTube paychecks, so we go a little bit more in depth if you are new to cash stuffing and just need a little bit of help on how to organize your system. That may help you. So we have $188 here already in my cash tray, and now I need to grab my business binder. We have my business binder right here. This is a gray Moterm. And if you guys are ever interested in anything that I am using, it is all linked down below. These particular, I think I'm just gonna move this over here so it can lean on it. Maybe move the plant a little bit closer. I think that looks cute. And so yeah, everything is linked down below. You might have to search a little bit. So how I do it in the description is I link my Etsy shop, and then I also have a link to my Amazon storefront. Moterms are always going to be in my Amazon storefront, but if for some reason Amazon is sold out, Moterm has a website. So definitely take a look there as well, because sometimes colors can be out and you'll actually get it pretty fast through their business. It's kind of scary because it seems like it's coming from overseas, but I want to say it took maybe 7 days, like not bad at all. So YouTube taxes is going to be getting $38, and we did a 20, a 10, a 5, and 3 ones. And I did round up in this amount, but it is 20% of the paycheck itself. Okay, so I'm doing this the hard way. It happens. Do I have any 5s in here? Nope, not yet, so that's why. Okay, YouTube taxes now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $120, and I think I am going to be putting a placeholder in here very soon for at least $100, and then move this over to Allies just so it can start accruing that high interest rate. And then this is not for Etsy. So next I wanted to stuff P.O. Box, and it's going to be getting $20. And that is all that it has since we just got our very first P.O. Box ever. I did share a video with you guys over on Instagram, and I was just so excited because 1, it's the first P.O. Box I've ever had, and 2, I just recently got my very first like happy mail or mail period in there. Next we have content creation, and I chose to put $20 in here as well. So content creation has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. That is gonna go to good use because it definitely needs some more supplies right now. Give back is going to be getting $5. This is how I do giveaways for y'all here on YouTube. So give back has 20, 40, 50, 55. And my next one will be whenever I hit 5,000 subscribers. We are sitting a little below 3,500 right now. I just know it's gonna happen so soon. You guys are amazing. Like the shares that I got last week was insane. I think y'all shared my videos like 450 plus times. Wow, thank you. Cash stuffing fund is going to be getting $5, so it now has 25. And then my receipts. And then now this is how the rest of the money is working for us and our small family. So emergency fund is just like the slow grow fund. We're gonna leave that alone today. And then we're gonna go ahead and jump back to, let's see, phone. But see guys, we filled some of these out last time I stuffed my business binder. So we filled out water, electricity, oh, here's phone. And so we said we were gonna do 40, 20 and 40. So phone now has, and each one of these is 10. So I'll get to finish a whole line here. 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. So $120 so far, which means we need 100, and 20 more. So I was saying I had $120 left. I just went ahead and filled this in. Sometimes filling in just takes a while, but yeah, so we've got this all counted up, and I'm just gonna put it back here in the envelope. And then for my other categories, I went ahead and filled in those as well. So we filled in for car insurance. Car insurance needs 40 though, and I haven't done that. So 20 and 40, so that's 50, 70, and $90 in here. And I filled in 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. But I was also thinking while I was doing that next time I really want to maybe like, obviously it's gonna be erased, and then fill in just the tires. And you could even just like fill in one tire at a time. Like if y'all come and get my car insurance like tracker, y'all get to set your goal, and then also how much each icon is worth. So like you could do like one tire is like 10, 20, 30, you know, like $10, $5, whatever fits your budget. So that is it for car insurance. And then guys, I had every intention of filling out my subscriptions tracker, but it turns out that the teller today, it was my lucky day. She is so sweet, and she knew I was coming and saved me a $28 bill with a star note. So we have another 20 to add to the collection. So let's grab that binder real quick. And that is it for my business binder today. So with star notes, I put them in here, and hopefully we'll have a dashboard here soon. But now I get to add this $20 bill right here. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $100 in 20s, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $123, and I need to grab a little wet towel real quick so we can correct this. 1 second. Okay, so the markers that I'm using are just wet erase, and so this is just water and a paper towel, and it comes right off. It works on the cardstock and clear lamination, but it also works perfectly on the matte vellum as well. And then let's fill in this 20. Okay, and then we had $123, so we'll just correct that right there. And now we know how much is in there anytime we want to check. Ultimately, I am just saving all of these. So, and if y'all enjoy collecting star notes too, this star notes tracker is in my Etsy link down below. I'm just gonna put it behind so that it can dry on the money. And that is it for that binder. Okay guys, well thank you so much for sticking around for this cash stuffing. If you are new, go ahead and click this little button to the right of the screen of my face. It will automatically subscribe you to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.